A lot of you kept telling your business to everybody, then wondering why every time you're trying to do something, something else always happens. Why do you think there's always an issue? You think it's because of bad luck? You think it's because something's always wrong with you? Nah. The reason for that is because of the people around you. Yeah, the bad energy surrounding your environment. That's the reason. Every time you're trying to do something, every time you're trying to succeed, every time you're trying to leave the position that you are in right now to the next one, something will always happen because of the energy surrounding you. I'm telling y'all real stuff. A lot of y'all don't even pray like that. So if the energy is already bad around you, every time you're gonna try to move forward, something is always going to happen. It's not like God is closing the doors on you. Ain't got nothing with that. The problem is that you keep running your mouth to the wrong people. Yes, they're gonna act like they're happy in front of you, but deep down, they know they don't want you to move forward because they've been doing the exact same thing they've been doing for years. Who are you to think that you can leave them in a bucket? So yeah, they're gonna smile in your face, but in reality, they're gonna feel some type of way on the inside. They won't tell you anything. And that could be anybody. That could be friends, co-worker, people that you've known your entire life, family members, husband, wife, boyfriend, anybody. It could be anybody. If the energy around you is bad, every time you're going to try to do something, something bad is always going to happen. And I'm not just saying that to make you feel some type of way. This is the truth. Why do you think some people would leave an entire state just to start over, just by themselves, with nobody knowing them? They're just leaving by themselves, building their own circle. Why do you think people do that? It's because of bad energy, man. It goes the same way with you trying to get a new job. It goes the same way with your relationship. Stop telling people about things like that. It goes the same way with everything that you're doing in life. Keep your mouth shut. Stop telling people about the things that you're trying to do that are going to change your financial status, especially if they don't have any drive for themselves. By them listening to you trying to move forward, that's going to make them feel some type of way, and that's where the bad energy is coming from. Jealousy, envy, whatever you want to call it, bad energy. Just so you understand, keep your mouth shut because you don't know the energy around you. Keep your mouth shut until you actually get the stuff done. Let them see it with their eyes. Let them see a success. Let them see it with their eyes. You don't have to be telling people anything about the projects that you're trying to start. That has nothing to do with them. They don't need to know what you're trying to do. That's not their business. Keep doing what you got to do. Keep changing your life. And most importantly, keep your mouth shut.